What's going on, boys? What's going on? Better notice first, come on. Of course you're first. My boy. Right, let's get to it. I literally just got home as well. It's a bit of a rush. Had nothing happen in the AM session. Well, I mean, there was some pretty good movement. But there wasn't any entries, I can't lie, for me to get in on. I haven't marked out anything away. How's you guys' trading days been today, or your days in general? How's it been? Oh, the fucking speaker's on. That's why. Just hear some sound. Alright, let's do this. I was watching Wolf of Wall Street, waiting for stream to start. Come on. As you do. How are you finding it? How are you finding the movie? You liking it? It's a banging movie, to be fair, I can't lie. Definitely one of my favourites, easily. I think we had some news which came out. No, that's not what I wanted. We had some news that came out 1:30, yeah. Unemployment rates, which shot price up. We've also had a sweep of the buy side already. So it looks like we could be getting into entries soon here. Waiting for sales on USD JPY, nice man. Why is nothing picking up on it? Alright, about to get in on a sell right here. GBPUSD sell. Alright, so we just got in on a sell position just now. As you can see, guys, I'll just show you real quick. We're currently in on that right now. So we're going to wait for this to try and move. I've got to set TPs and stuff. So we've got stop loss just above the high. Just target the sell side. I'm looking for stars, but I'm taking it on the demo. I'm done trading on live for the day. Alright, yeah, fair enough. Sometimes when I'm not sure about trades, I'll start trading on, I'll forward test it. So yes, guys, we've just gone into the session now. So the AM session had basically nothing going on. We did have some nice bullish movement, to be fair, and we could have possibly gotten on a long, but so we did have our sweep of the sell. No, we didn't have our sweep of the sell side. I had it down here, so we only wicked out the sell side. So we only wicked out the sell side, which meant that I didn't get proper confirmation of sweep of the sell side, which meant that none of these entries would have been valid for me. And you know, I'm trying to get proper confluences, so it leaves no room for excuse. For say, if I do lose the trade, then I can't blame it on saying that my sell side was in the wrong position or it didn't sweep the sell side properly. So that's why I didn't take any trades in the AM. But now we've got a nice setup that's come about in the PM. I literally just got home and yeah, I've just seen it come up. So we've got our fair value gap right here. We had a sweep of the buy side. I actually had a little bit lower than this right there. We had a sweep of the buy side. with these matching equal highs. And then we ought to change character right here as well. So it's important we look for our change of character obviously before the move actually happens. And now, yeah, so we've just had our touch onto this fair value gap, and we have now got our stop loss just above the high and our take profit at sell side, targeting that next level of liquidity where we think price will be seeking to go. And so yeah guys, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. In case you did notice, that was for the video, so yeah. I think I actually forgot to set it on my... What level is that? 28613. And stop loss above the high. I don't know, I feel like I'm risking too much of putting it above the high. Let's put it above the candle close. So that's 28843. 28843. That still feels like too much. Alright, we'll put it just below there. So we're risking 1% to make 5% pretty much right now. So we want to stay disciplined with our risk reward ratio. So I'm going to put this up just a touch to the bottom of this low right here, where this wick is. So we do stick to that 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward. So that's at 28682. 28. To be fair, something I do need to improve on is figuring out the position before I've got into it, because so many times, you know, I don't do it before the actual position. I only do it during the position when I've actually entered. So that is something I do need to improve on. And better notice, I did see your message, but I was on the bus, so I didn't reply. But I will reply soon about the pip calculator and position calculator. That will be very helpful, to be fair. So I will be jumping on that 100%. 100% though. I'm selling and you're selling, that means one of us is correct. Are you in your sell right now? USD JPY. It's on here, innit? Are you in your sell? I'm not gonna lie, I hope it's me. I hope I'm the one who's right after that loss yesterday. Remember guys, we have got scheduled, if you go on the channel on the lives, we have got scheduled the Friday night live, the first Friday night live. I'll be doing it every single Friday, just devoted to games and winding down from the trading week and just having a little bit of fun. And it will be devoted to 400 subscribers, basically celebrating that. Well, this is looking like it's cruising right now. That was very nice. Just need that final push. We get hot about Simon. Yeah, I won't enter sub, so ass. Wherever you got your entry, stop loss and take profit, I'll have a little look. I think we're literally about to hit TP right now. I'll show you guys. See that? See that, fellas? We're very close. We're closing in. Come on, we just need that final bit. Fucking hell, it's so hot in here, man. Oh. Oh, don't do this to me. Just gotta stay patient. Let it hit. Okay, yes, nice. Nice. Oh, it hasn't even hit it on my C trader yet. We're literally 0.0 pip away. Is it taking it? Is it? It's done it. There we go. Beautiful, boys. Just like that. That is a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Do you know what I'm saying? You guys saw that on the live. We do it more or less every day. Well, it didn't happen yesterday or the day before, but that has definitely made up for a lot of losses. So as you can see right there, guys, we've just hit take profit, and that literally only took a matter of... That only took around 7 minutes and 8 minutes in total. 12 pip take profit and a 2 pip stop loss. So just like that, guys, we have made up to account of our last 3 losses plus profit. So that is why you just stick to the plan, stick to your setups, and you will do it. And that is why when the thing with us traders, right, we don't have certainty if we're going to win or not. So that is why the risk management is what is going to keep you successful. Do you know what I'm saying? Cheers, Salah. Yeah, man, good trade. Did you get in on it? Did you get in on that trade? So yeah, that is why risk management is very key, and to make sure, you know, you have a plan and you are prepared to, if you are going to be taking losing streaks, you are prepared for it. Now, when it comes to these setups, what I'm doing right now is staying disciplined with a risk reward of 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. So this was a risk reward of 1 to 3 or 3, more or less 1 to 4. There is a very high chance this is going to go all the way to sell side, and I know that, but it is all about just discipline and not breaking the routine. So, and you just gotta be happy with what you take. I'm very happy with that. 8 minutes and I'm done for the rest of the day now. I can go to sleep very happy, and tonight will be a good night. A thing I did used to have when I did take losses is I'll question my strategy, and I'll start searching up videos on what am I doing wrong, what am I doing wrong. It's just an off day. You just gotta realise it's just an off day. It's just having a bad day and it's just not working. But eventually, if you stick to the plan and you make sure you have an edge in the market after backtesting definitely very much helps with the strategy, but you're backtesting and you've got that edge in the market, then you'll be sweet. It's just managing that risk. This is going to be a shorter stream today, guys, because I have a dentist appointment at I've got a dentist appointment at around 4:15, so I will have to go soon, but not till for like another half an hour. AM looking for buyers. Yeah, we could have looked for buyers in AM. I was busy for AM, so I couldn't even look at that. But let's go back to it now. So AM did actually look quite nice. I do somewhat wish I did get in on this. Yeah, I think what I was looking for was price to get a bit closer to the sell side. So say this fair value gap here, could have got in on that, or there's this one here we could have got in on, and both of these would have been successful trades. So if you did take those, then that would have been good. That would have been a nice clean setup. GBP JPY is going to continue to buy. Let's have a look at that. GBP. Yeah, it's looking like it. I don't really know about these other currencies, I can't lie. This is why I like sticking to my one currency, because all the different directions will just start to confuse me, and I don't like it. I just like my good old GBPUSD. I like America, and obviously I'm from Great Britain, so lovely. I wonder who else caught this move. I hope you got a better idea, better notice of what my setup looks like. What I sort of look for. You've seen it live in the flesh. I'm happy I was able to show you. Show you right here. You trade only one pair. Yeah, I literally only trade one pair. And a lot of traders, big traders, who, if I told them I only trade one pair, they'll be like, fair enough. If you can't even master one pair, why are you going for 2, 3, 4, 5? You know what I'm saying? That's how I look at it. Because I was one time, a few months ago, I think it was like December, I was looking at like 4 or 5 different pairs, and I'd get so confused. I'll get so confused, and I just wouldn't like it. I didn't like it at all. It's actually supply and demand. Yeah, to be fair, it literally, it looks like supply and demand. But I just call it liquidity, innit? Because it's just more or less the same thing. Just different terminology. But yeah, what works, works. What works, works. I like pairs of USD, yeah. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, I see some people like looking at like USD, JPY, and all like literally different currencies, and I don't know. I find it so confusing. But if you can do it, then fair enough. That's you. That's why trading's a good game. You know, everyone's got their own preference. There's never a right answer. There is never a right answer with trading. Because if you have a strategy, it will, you know, if yours works, someone else works, who are they to tell you that it's a bad strategy? So I'm not here to tell you, bear notice, that you shouldn't trade more pairs, or trading more pairs is shit. Because if that suits you, that suits you. But I mostly trade Euro USD and GBP USD, yeah. I just find those the best ones. I trade Euro USD every now, like, on an off occasion. On a one-off, but yeah, it's mainly GBP USD. Mainly because that's what I started with. That was the first currency I started trading on the demo when I first started getting into trading. And then ever since then, I was like, I'm just going to stick with it. I might as well. And you eventually just learn the movements. Whereas I feel like if whenever I'm on a chart with a currency I don't know, or a currency pair I don't know, I feel like I'm walking around the street naked. Do you know what I mean? I just don't know I just don't like it. Whereas I feel nice and safe with GU. But yeah, hang on, let me get a little screenshot of this so I can post it on Instagram. I also need to post my losses. I forgot to do that. I need to post the losses. Also, guys, the date for when I am starting the funded challenge is the 28th of March, or on the week of, well, the 1st of April. The 1st of April, on that week, that Easter week when I'm off from college, is when I'll be attempting my 20k funded. So that will be a very big day. And hopefully a lot of you guys will want to tune in and watch that. The good thing about GBPUSD is that when you win big. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. 100%. And GBPUSD offers a higher margin with my broker. It's like with some currencies, you can't trade with as much position size, especially with like gold. What was another one? It was like JPY or something. I can't remember. But yeah, it offers bigger. From Monday, I'll start trading only GBPUSD. I mean, if that's what you want to do, better notice fairs. I think personally you'll do better because you have a nice strategy. Our strategies are more or less basically the same. I think you'll do well by just trading one. But I hope I pass it, man. If I pass the 20k funded, I'll actually be so gassed. Now you're on phase 2. Nah, this is just personal. This is just live account. Right now I'm trading. I'm starting my first funded at the end of this month. So let's hope it goes. Let's hope it goes well, and you guys will be able to psychologically, mentally, go through it with me. The thing I like about live streaming as well is that it's just real. Like I'm just keeping it real. A lot of streamers like they just don't post their losses. They don't post, they only post the wins. On here you can see what I'm doing, and I can't edit anything out. It's just pure. If I fuck up, I fuck up. Do you know what I mean? And holding myself accountable. Are you gonna trade any more for the rest of the day, you guys, or are you guys done as well? Wind down for the weekend. The worst part of the week, the weekend. We don't like the weekend. There's nothing to do. Whilst everyone's hating Mondays, we're loving Mondays. I'm gassed for this Friday, tonight as well. 10 o'clock start. We're gonna go all night. We're gonna go all night. I don't even know how long we will go for. Try go till like 4 or 5 a.m. or something, like hella late. Go for like a long stream. Fairs, man. How much percent did you make this week? If you know. I think he was talking about the AM session. I think Salah was talking about the AM session. But I actually know how to trade crypto. You know what, yeah? I've really been thinking about it. I've really been thinking about getting into this crypto thing. But it's like, you just need to stick to your own things. I see so many people talk about it, and everyone's got their own opinion. I think it's best to just stay to your own thing so you don't get influenced by it. And if you're not getting influenced by other people and you're just sticking to your own decisions with the crypto stuff, then I feel like that'd be a better way to learn it. Right here, I think price is gonna form a high right here and then come back down, and then I think it'll do something like this. Hang on. Go down like that, and then probably like that, and then break through or whatever. That's what I think we'll do. Oh, it's just so satisfying just looking at it, cruising through the profit. And that's it. Bro, do you trade the 3 silver bullet sessions or just London AM or just London and AM session? Yeah, so on M1 it's so easy. Yeah, I used to, people really like to shit on the 1 minute time frame, and I don't know why. I don't know why they shit on the 1 minute time frame when it's actually, that's what I mean. Like, you can't tell someone that a time frame is shit when it's just your preference. You can't. It's just you just don't. You guys see where I'm coming from, bro. Do you trade the 3 silver bullet sessions or just London AM session? So obviously you have the London AM session, which I call it, is the 8 to 9 a.m. is 3 to 4 a.m. New York time. So that's what they talk about when they say the New York AM session. And then what I call the London PM session, 3 to 4 p.m. in England, is it 10 to 11 New York AM time? So 10 to 11 AM New York time. So 3 to 4 AM. 3 to 4 AM New York time is 8 to 9 London time, and then 10 to 11 New York time is 3 to 4 London time. And that is so much better. Imagine having to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. When I went to New York for a week, it was hell. It was so shit. I think I gave up in the end. I was like, I'm just going to take the rest of the week off because this is shit. On D1. Is that the daily you're talking about? D1. I think it is. Mine just says, yeah, on there, but they usually get stopped out. They get stopped out on me every time. Yeah, I think once you find the time frame that suits you, you know, that is a big factor, big game changer. 100%. So yeah, Org Academy is trade whatever session you think suits you, but I personally think that 8 to 9 a.m. London and 3 to 4 p.m. London for me are the best times. I don't trade the New York session because otherwise it's just I just prefer the London session. People say like, what is it before the start of the London session? It's like accumulation, London's manipulation, and then New York's distribution. But I think it's just an excuse to say that you're shit at the London session. Don't call it manipulation, you're just shit. Maybe it is manipulating, but I don't know, price is price. Bro, how do you find comfortability putting a stop above the fair value gap and not above the high? Basically, I haven't put it just above the fair value gap. I've put it above the candle close, and I did have it above the high originally, but when I saw a price was starting to move down, then I moved my stop loss further down. I'll put it in the video, but I did have my stop loss higher up, but I was risking too much having my stop loss above the high. I was risking too much. I was literally risking like 2%, way too much. I was risking 1%, even with the stop loss above the candle close. Even for me, that's too much. So then you just gotta say, if it hits, it hits. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. I'd rather get stopped out with minimal loss than take an even further loss. But yeah, no, it is a bit shaky. I do see what you mean, but at first I did have my stop above the high, yeah. And then I moved it down when I saw a price was moving into profits. But then I was like, okay, well, sweet. This is calm. It was actually a good idea that I moved my take profit up to here. This looks like it could be moving up to break even and then selling off again. Org Academy, you great man. Don't make me blush, bro. Don't make me blush. I don't swing that way, but a man saying I'm great will make me smile more than a woman. Especially if it's about trading. Now I need to find my laptop charger. Here it is. Tomorrow, CNY CPI. Tomorrow, on the weekend. Is it? Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, I don't even pay attention to that shit. I can't lie, I don't even take... Do you really need to pay attention to news? I mean, obviously, like, on the day, if you got red folder news, then yeah, you do have to pay attention, but... Do you really need to pay attention if it doesn't really affect it? But I do sometimes watch the talks, like the Powell guy. That Powell guy, I sometimes watch his talks, and the Bank of England Well, the next time there's a Bank of England press conference, I'll stick it on the stream. You can watch it. I actually can't believe we're on 460 subscribers. Oh, I'll tell you what, yeah, the best start to my day is when I wake up and I check my YouTube studio and I see I'm up another subscriber. It's fucking amazing. The CNY currency will move on Monday because of the CPI. Oh, right, okay. Better notice, you got better knowledge than me. You got way better fundamental knowledge than me. Also, why, if you don't mind me asking, why don't you want your friends knowing or people you know knowing you trade? Is it just kind of like a, once you make it, then you'll show everyone what's growing in the back garden? If so, then that's respect. If you're able to keep a secret like that, that's some strength you got there. I feel like I wouldn't be able. I'd spill the beans after a while. I wouldn't be able to hold it in for that long. If Salah entered the buys, he could have been up. If Salah entered the buys, he would be able to retire his grandma. Well, maybe not that much of a stress, but yeah, he would definitely be up. I think he was talking about buys in the AM. So you see here, there was definitely actually, I think that was definitely a position to get in on here. Go back and backtest this. Hang on. So we got a sweep here. Let's call this our sweep. And there we go. And we've got a fair value gap, which formed right here. And now what we want is obviously our retracement back in. So we just had a load of consolidation. Okay, that was our entry. So we put our entry right there. Stop just below the candle. And then target for around 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So we can go up to the top of these wicks here. And then that would have been actually quite a nice trade that. I know this consolidation would have scared me though. That was a massive candle though, what the fuck? It was just that 130, it was the unemployment claims, wasn't it? Unemployment rate even. Yeah, so that was just some heavy bullish movement, that's all it was. But yeah, that definitely could have been an entry. But I was quite busy in the morning, I can't lie. After I see the successes when they were like no, but not that much. So you're like hinted to them first. I feel like I had to tell my parents and stuff. Because otherwise they think I'm just sat in my room playing games all day or something. That's the thing, like my mum is proud that I found something I'm really passionate about, but my dad is just like, he doesn't understand that. Would he rather me be doing this and grinding, literally the financial markets, where there's trillions of money in these candlesticks, or going out every day, not doing anything that's gonna help me tomorrow? It's nothing. If my 16, 15, 17-year-old kid was doing this, I'd be fucking. Wait, when your kids are born, right? If you guys are gonna have kids, what age are you gonna start getting them into trading? Project Wolf of Wall Street. I'll probably start mine when he's like 10. No, he doesn't think. He doesn't think I am. He actually doesn't like me trading. He rather he. It's crazy. He'll get more angry coming into my room seeing me doing trading than if I'm playing video games instead of working. How insane is that? How insane is that? And my mum, she's like, as long as you're doing your schoolwork as well, keep going with the trading. Definitely. 10 years, yeah. I'd say 10. I'd say 10. Think about it. By the time bro's 16, he's already had 6 years of experience. Well, of just knowledge. There's just like no way. By the time he's 20 years old, 20 years, 10 years, 20 years old, 10 years of knowledge. Obviously, it's easier said than done. But if you're just doing small sessions and slowly scaling it out, 100%. Get your kid to. You won't even need to go to school. My older sister had started trading but quit in 2020. How old's your older sister? And how old was she when she started? And why did she quit? Surely, surely, I wish I knew about all of this stuff during COVID. Oh, that would have been the perfect time to grind. But then again, I don't regret just playing games all day. Really, that was like such a good time. COVID. My schedule for COVID was wake up at like, I don't even know, 11 o'clock in the morning or whenever it was, wake up for online school, play games all day. The only time I'd leave my chair was to go to the toilet. I'd always have my dinner at my desk and I'd be sat there and my posture was fucked at the end of it. I was literally like this, walking around like this. Coming like Guru from Despicable Me. Oh, lock my kid in a basement and force him to trade from Asian Session to New York. Yeah, 100%. Soundproof padding around there so he can't scream. Force that kid to just stare at candlesticks until he starts dreaming about it. She's 22, bro, but she quit after a month. Some people just aren't built for it. Bro, imagine you come. If does she know that you trade? Imagine you come through with, I don't know, 5, 6 figures in your account from trading, and you're like, "Yo, sis, you remember that trading thing you was doing? This is what I was doing. Look what I've been doing." Bro, during COVID, I'd wake up at 10 a.m. and sleep at 4 a.m. Yeah, I think that was everyone, I can't lie. All-nighters, all night. All the traders would have been making bank during COVID. Day traders, that is. Long-term investors would have got bent over and stuffed. Playing Fortnite all day. Yeah, literally playing Fortnite all day. Fortnite, GTA, Call of Duty. That was when Warzone was big. Call of Duty. All them kind of games. Good times, man. Good times. She doesn't know I trade. Yeah, good. Keep it that way. Keep it that way until you're sweet, man. Oh, just waiting for the day. Waiting for the day we all make it. When even is a time you'll make it? Maybe making it would be when you're profitable, consistently profitable and like able to live off it. But I don't think we'll ever properly make it because we'll always be looking for more. What if I buy GBPUSD now and close the trades in 2028? I don't know, man. That's actually a really good question. Let's look at the yearly. Is that a thing? Yeah. Actually, that's probably not good, not very good information. I can't lie. When I own an M4 fully paid, oh no, I'm there. Yeah, man. You know it. But the thing is, you'd probably make more you'd 100% make more doing day trading than holding it till 2028. Oh, this weekly high right here as well, which price looks like it could be pushing up to. Oh. We're on the yearly demand zone. It's better to buy right now. Yeah. True that. I just feel like long-term investing is just long. Well, I mean, obviously it's long, but what I mean is that it's just not as fun, is it? It's just not as fun. Obviously, you're looking at the news and stuff. I don't really know that much about long-term trading. It's like having the skill of knowing how to short-term trade is on big respect. When I hear someone say I'm a trader, or I meet someone who's a trader and they're a day trader and they know what they're doing, that's like, shake my hand, bro. Shake my hand. What's not fun? Yeah, no, it's not fun. Nah. Whereas with this, like, you get a buzz out of it. Do you know what I mean? It is sort of like gambling with the buzz you get from, like, is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? And when it's going down, you're like, obviously you gotta try not to show emotion, but in your head you're like, let's fucking go, let's fucking go. Or then when you're losing, you wanna get a fucking hammer and start smashing craters in your monitor screen. I will see what time my grandma's picking me up. 4:05. Alright, I will have to go in around 10 minutes, guys. Although I don't want to. Today I'll take 2 trades. What trades did you take and did you win them? Send them to me on Instagram, bro. Were they winners? And 2 trades go to break even. Oh, at least you didn't lose, man. At least you didn't lose. You got the thing I've learned. What I haven't learned completely, but I've got better at is acceptance. Just accepting that, you know what, it's better than taking a big ass loss. But then again, you got to you got to differ acceptance from settling for less. If that makes sense. Do you know what I mean? So let's say, for example, so let's say a trade goes to break even, just like, and you were in profit, just be happy that just be happy that hold on, I'm just trying to read the chat right now. Just be happy that you didn't take the full loss. Do you know what I mean? But whereas if you keep settling for small profits, or you're settling for like you're closing trades early, and you're like, oh, I'm happy. You know what? I'll take that. You gotta put your foot down and say, no, I need to be taking further stretches on my positions, which is where I'm kind of at right now with thinking, should I stick with a risk reward of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, or go for bigger risk rewards? But then trades like this are what show me that, like, you see, guys, you remember I literally had my take profit at the bottom of the sell side, and then I moved it up because I put my stop loss further down. So then I wanted to make it risk reward of 1 to 3, and prices come down, hit my take profit, and now we've come back up to break even. So it's like sometimes price does go all the way, sometimes it doesn't. But with the bigger ones, I'll be making a bigger profit. But with a smaller risk reward of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, at least I'm getting out early and making sure I'm closing that profit, even if it is going further. With this smaller risk reward of 1 to 2, 1 to 3, there's a very high chance I'm going to be making money on it. But if I've got a further one, obviously there's more of a chance price will reverse back to break even. So it is just trying to find a way to get that balance. But at the moment, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 is working for me, so I think I'm going to stick with that and try it for the funded at the end of the month. Yeah, a peak for you, Salah, mate. It happens to everyone. It happens to us all. If you guys look at the video yesterday, that I uploaded yesterday from the stream, right at the end, I uploaded the clip of me nearly burning my desk, nearly lighting my desk on fire. Mate, I can't believe it. Like, it was close. Like, it was really close. I don't know how it didn't light up. On this GU trade that you took, if you went full margin, you could have flipped your account. Bro, imagine if I had done that. But then imagine if I got stopped out. That would have been peak. Full margin, just go absolutely madness, just go full lot size. Yeah. Salah, mate, yesterday was fucking nuts. Coming like speed and like setting off fireworks in my room. You know what, yeah? If we hit 1,000 subscribers, before, let's say March, April, May, June. Let's say before June. Wait, is that realistic? April, March, or whatever. Oh, yeah, before June. If we hit 1,000 subscribers before June, I will light off fireworks from my room. Obviously, I'm not gonna let it off in my room, but like that window there, or the window at my mum's house, I'll record myself lighting some fireworks out. It is technically illegal, but fuck it. I'll just buy a load of fucking fireworks and I'll just put on a show. So clip this, or I'll go back and get it. We can save it, and if it happens, I'll be having to spend some rupees on some fireworks. And then I'll probably get swatted or something. I don't know. The UK police are shocking out here. They'll swat you. You can go you can go on the street and stab someone and you won't get arrested. But if you're lighting off fireworks in my room, then I'll get armed police banging on my door. It's crazy. I just know Who's going to be tuning in tonight then? You guys going to catch a beer tonight, or will it be past all your boys' bedtimes? 10 p.m. It's on the live stream channel. If you go onto where you see like home videos, playlists, or say on the live, It's got a thumbnail of me on one guy, then my friend, my mate, who I play most of my games with, on there as well. I'll show you guys. Hang on, I'll just literally show you. I've had a bad day, man. Why have you had a bad day, bro? What, bad trading day or just actual bad day? If so, what happened, man? Bad notice, what you say, man? Hey, yo, it's me. Not the... There it is. Upcoming. Friday Night Live. Arguing with randoms plus funny moments. That's my mate right there. Who I'll be on with. Plus like a load of other guys, but that's the main guy I usually play most of my games with. And then obviously that's me. And then Friday Night Live. It's Friday night. Friday night. Yeah. I had a bad trading day yesterday, man. Don't worry about it. Yeah, it's not been a great week, to be fair. That's the most losses I've ever taken in a week. 5 losses. No, not 5 losses, 3 losses. My win rate ain't going to be looking too good this week. Probably be around like 50%. Most likely. Do you think I should put this like little red emoji before where it says live? Do you think it'll stand out more? I might do that. It needs a little bit more oomph to it. Do you know what I'm saying? How many trades did I take? I took... Right, let's go over it, because I don't actually know exactly. So we took 1 here, so that's 1. Did we take this? No, we didn't. That was earlier. No, we didn't take that. So 1 trade, 2 trades. We didn't take that. 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades. Did I say 6 already? Oh, I can't remember. Did I say 5? Did I say 6? I take maximum of 2 trades per day. It'll be max 2 trades per day. Maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, 2 trades, 1 per session. So if I lose in the AM, then I'll size down in the PM. So I'll go to 2 lots instead of 4. Alright, so 1 trade. Tomorrow will be the day for the analysis. So I don't know why I'm doing this now, but let's just do it. Let's calculate our win rate for this week. So 1 trade we won. So 1 trade, 2 trades we won. Let me write down. 2 trades won. So that's, oh for fuck's sake, I can bring it, don't I? This is so long. So two trades won. 2 trades won. 1 trade lost. Yeah, I said 6. Yeah, sounds about right. 2 trades lost. 1 trade lost even, sorry. So now that's 2 trades lost. So that's 4 in total. And keep dragging it. Not that one. Not there. So that's 3 trades lost. So then if I'm correct, the next one, which we literally just took, is a winner. That's 3 trades won, so that will bring us to a 50% win rate. Which is actually quite good, to be fair. Most of the time it's like in the 70-80% ballpark, but 50% is still good. We're still ended in profit this week. So then that's 3 taken. Nice. Definitely could have avoided some of those, but we learn. We learn. That's the point of the journaling. Oh shit, guys, I've got to go soon. Alright, guys, so I'm going to have to end the stream now. Love to all you boys who've tuned in and was able to see that we hit that trade live. I hope that has been able to widen your mind on how the strategy works, and if you trade it yourself or if you have your own kind of strategy but want to see anyway. My PS Vita today is so nostalgic. I have no idea what that is, but fair enough, bro. I'm happy for you. You know, bro, there's I don't even know what that is. I probably do know what it is. I'm just being dumb. But yeah, I have to. My grandmother's just picking me up in 1 minute, so I've got to end the stream now. If you guys are tuning in this Friday tonight, then I will see you boys there. If not, then I will see you guys on Monday morning for the new trading week as we get closer to road to the funded. All right, boys. So appreciate you guys always. Love you lot. Always loving you lot. Search up. I'll switch up right now after this end the stream. All right, love you lot. Love, 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 love.